Now take a look at this. Does anyone know what this is before I say it? Leave it in the comments. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are doing great. And if you're new, I'm a Jamaican living in Australia. Yes, man. So I know it has been a minute since I've been on here, but I'm live and life is still life. All right, so, but in today's video, from you see the title and the thumbnail, you definitely know that this video is an update. I'll be showing you all what has been happening throughout the winter, as you all know, unless you're new, but it's now winter. It is winter in Australia, and we're actually in the last month of winter, which makes me excited. But as you can see, it has not been that bad. It's quite a chilly day. The sun is out, but it's not that bad. Trust me. So I live in the subtropics, so it doesn't. There's no snow here or anything like that, but it does get really cold. Like yesterday morning, it dropped down to about 6 degrees here. So I'm gonna give you all an update and show you all what's been happening. But to be honest, I have not been doing much gardening this winter. So the place needs a lot of cleaning now, but there has been some things that I've planted out, and you all will be able to see that and what's the ups and downs. All right, so let's go now. We're on a roll. I'm gonna start off here with this banana. They call it like in some, like even in Samoa, I think they call it like a plantain, but it's not really a plantain. It's more like a cooking banana. They grow quite big, but bought this from a Samoan family in Brisbane. So yeah, this is new to the garden, and actually it's been shooting up a few leaves throughout the winter. Well, this leaf anyway, but yeah, this leaf is a new leaf that it has pushed up. As you know, in the subtropics, these plants don't grow much. The bananas, they don't grow much throughout the 3 months of winter. So yeah, but it's really nice, and I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleaning here. I have all the sorrels that I've finished, so all the sticks are over there, and I'm gonna get rid of those as well. So yeah, I still have pumpkin here, not producing, but pumpkin is still here, and the winter didn't destroy it. And here I did create a little eat house of some sort to keep my Scotch bonnet pepper alive, and honestly, it has worked. You know, they haven't died, and they are not in the best of conditions, but my Scotch bonnet have survived, and literally we're in the last month of winter, so you know that they definitely been through the worst, you know. So I can't wait to plant them out come this spring. I'm excited about that. And you see what I used to put it together is clamps and like some piece of pipe that I put together, and yeah, create like a little eat house thing. You get me? So I don't know if it's this that actually saves them, but I feel like it did something. And yeah, so that's a good look. So this right here is supposed to be my plantain, and you can see not in the best of condition, but trust me, when spring arrives, everything gonna be looking so different. And over here you can see I have the mango tree. Still have green leaves on it, so it's not looking too bad. I still have banana there. They're not ready yet, but still going. So I'm gonna have to clean up all of these, cut off all the dry leaves and thing. But now there's a few things that I'm actually excited to show you all, and this is gonna be the first one. Now take a look at this. All of this right here is silver beet, and I think they also call it Swiss chard, and they're actually growing lovely right now. Like, these are ready to be harvested, and I've planted them in the summer before, but a lot of bugs and all that was eating them, the leaves. But just to see how healthy these leaves look and nothing's biting them, I haven't had anything to them. I realize that winter, these vegetables, they strive better. Less bugs attack and all of these things. So they actually strive more in the winter, and I don't have to cover them or anything like that. But just look at this. Take a look at that. These are just flourishing. So I planted these in the raised bed, and as you can see, I've harvested here before, and you can see these are growing back right there, and there's another one here growing back as well. So I harvest only 2 of them, and they're growing back. So yeah, just need to weed it out a bit, but yeah, these are really lovely, beautiful, and they're very similar to spinach, very similar. So you can use this as a substitute for your spinach. This is the second thing I'm excited to show you all, is my papaya. My papaya finally produced. Finally, last time I had a papaya tree, and the amount of rain we got, and the tree, the root actually rotten, and it just started producing a papaya at the time, but because the root rotten, the tree didn't survive because of the rainy weather at the time. But just to see this now, this makes me happy, and I'm a person that really loves papaya. So yeah, this is amazing, and the tree is very short. So all right, so this plant right here is what they call a jabody kaba. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. But as you can see, not a leaf has fallen throughout the winter, so it shows me that this plant can actually survive throughout the winter period here. It's a good look, and just a reminder for anyone, this is what the fruit looks like, and the fruits normally grow on the bark like these places. Yeah, I've had it before. It's very sweet. I really love it. All right, so we come over here now. This is my Gunga peas, also known as pigeon pea, and you can see it really all up a fight against the winter, and it still has the blossoms from when we're just entering winter, even a young Gunga there. So definitely it has really fight throughout the winter period, because if you come over here, you will see that these ones did not go through the winter. I don't know if these plants are done, but maybe they'll spring back, I don't know. But as you can see, these ones are completely dried up. These are all gungu. But there's one over there though, has a few blossom that has a few leaves on it. So some of them put up a fight, yeah. And the main one over here, which is the big one that I had a great amount of, this one is still alive and kicking with lots of blossoms. So it just shows you, as spring come back, all of these are just gonna be, I'm just gonna be getting gungo right away, or pigeon peas right away, because blossoms are ready to go. So that is a good look. Yeah man, so all of this area had soil, so I just chop them down, and yeah, gonna be burning them and also using it back into the ground for compost and things like that. So yeah, that's just a patch of pumpkin here. If you look right here, there's a pumpkin on it, and I've planted pumpkin before and they just completely dry up in the winter, but this pumpkin actually, it's been fighting the winter, I'm not gonna lie. So some things I've seen change that really put up a fight. I have cassava here. You can see it still has some little young leaves there, so that's gonna be springing up right back. I have my potato throughout. So I'm gonna start clearing this area again, get it prepared. Banana right there. have passion fruit. I need to get it like a trellis or something. So, because I actually reaped some, well, actually harvested some passion fruit from the one over there, which I'm gonna show you. So yeah, that is that, full of blossom. Got more soursop. That's another soursop. Another one there. Oh damn, I forgot about this one. This one right here is actually chives. Actually got lots of bush on it. I have to clean it out. Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, the cold weather have been taking a toll on me. The cold weather makes me lazy to plant. Because even if you come out here and dig in the ground, like you be on a hot day and the ground is actually cold. So I don't really like to put my hand in the ground when it's cold like that. We have lots of lemon. As usual, this tree never out of lemon. Never. Fully loaded. Sugar cane as usual. Been having some of those. This one is not looking too good though, but yeah. Look at that. Pumpkin. And now, come over here to this tree. This is what in Jamaica is a local cherry for Jamaicans, and they call it what's the name again? Acerola cherry, and also Barbados cherry. I think there's more names for it, but as you can see, this is a test, and it actually shows me that it easily survives throughout the winter. Not a leaf has fallen, and the tree looks still green and beautiful. So it just shows me that it's a great fruit to have here in the subtropics. I have my other planting tree here, which I can't wait. I'm excited. So that is that. I'm gonna have to clear out all of this, get back to gardening again. Yeah, man. Well, that is it, my people. And yeah, let me know what you all think. Give me any tips you have on what I should do, or what you like or dislike. Alright, so a lot of spring onion, scallion right there. My thyme has gotten so bushed up, you can hardly tell the difference of the thyme because of all this grass mixed in between. But yeah, but this right here was my main soursop, and it's like some kind of fungus or whatever takes over it. The complete tree is black. The leaves have gone black, and a lot of I can't even tell what these are. It looks like it will look like a bunch of cysts on it. Like that's what it looks like. So I don't know what kind of disease the soursop tree has, but it's not looking good. So I don't know what or how to treat this one. My pineapple. But yeah, the capsicums, otherwise bell pepper, sweet pepper, these have all been done, and the trees are still standing. But that is that. So, and I have this is a rosemary. Rosemary, I did put it in some water, and it catch root, and I put it here for about three weeks now. It's been here, so it actually started growing. So yeah, that's rosemary. Yeah. We actually have a tree at the front, so I got it off the tree at the front and plant that one there. Look at all these beautiful flowers. This strawberry has put out. I actually got a few off here, but yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I've not been maintaining this winter. So what you see grow here is just by the blessings. Also have aloe vera here, which I actually need to transplant some of them because the container is full. In Jamaica we call these Cinco Bible. But yeah man, remember when my father used to give this to me as a medicine, especially when you have a lot of sweets and all that. Oh man, I used to hate it. Bitter and slimy, man. Okay, so here is where I have my passion fruit, which I've been getting. I don't think there's any left at the moment, but this is what I've been getting a lot of my passion fruits from. And yeah, in the winter it's still looking good. Dragon fruit here, which I plan to actually root out these and put them in like a container and create something for them to like climb on, grow on. So yeah, I have some ideas. I just need to bring it to life. Does anyone know what this is before I say it? Leave it in the comments. This right here is our oregano, beautiful oregano, and I really love the smell. So it looks very fluffy. I'm gonna have some, they call this like black mint here, and these grow like crazy. The amount of time I root out these, not to get rid of it, but because they spread so much, and then they just grow back like non-stop. So these are black mint. See, I have more over here. So yeah man, I have a lot of herbs and things as well, you know. Alright, so I hope you all enjoy watching today's video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And oh, please hype up the video. Once you click the thumbs up button, you're gonna see the hype button down below that comment section, and you know, help the video to reach out to more people. All right, until next time, it's your island boy Africa. Let's go now.